we are in an area where the population is going up. We got a big, huge, like job boom, lots of like tech type stuff coming into this area, right? So we're seeing rents grow yearly everywhere across the USA. Honestly, y'all, when I think of all the popular turnkey markets, investment markets, cash flow markets out there, right? Like turnkey, cash flow, that type of thing. I think my favorite one right now, which I feel like takes a little bit from a lot of different markets and kind of makes it like the best of all case scenarios, like the best compromise, would probably be Birmingham, right? Because like you take like Birmingham, Alabama, right? You take like the cheapest markets, right? Like the cheapest markets that people think about are like Detroit, Michigan, Cleveland, Ohio, stuff like that, right? But those properties, those markets, they're facing a declining population, right? And then the housing stock is typically really old, like 1920s, 1930s, okay? And plus, those markets are cold. You're going to see a lot of like weather-related issues and damage, okay? And then you have like other people that when they invest in properties and stuff, they like to just go with like super high appreciation markets and things like that, like, massive population gains. So you see like a lot of people that are interested in like Texas or Florida. Okay. Issue though with that is, they could typically be a little expensive, right? So I feel like the best overall like popular type market that can combine like the pros of each of those markets would be like your Birmingham, right? Because you take Birmingham, it's not as affordable as Detroit and Cleveland, but it's close, right? It does not have the population gain that you're going to see in Florida and Texas, but it's got a gain. It doesn't have a loss. And guess what? It's warm like Florida and Texas, right? So we really take the best of both worlds, right? We get the cash flow. We get the affordability. We also get the warm weather and the population gain, okay? So that's why I really dig Birmingham, and I have one just outside of Birmingham for you guys today. This one's in Kimberly, Alabama. Brand new construction from my friends over at Rent to Retirement. This one coming to you guys at $344,900. Gonna feature market rent rate today of $2,395. But folks, that is today. We are in an area where the population is going up. We got a big, huge, like job boom, lots of like tech type stuff coming into this area, right? So we're seeing rents grow yearly everywhere across the USA. But we take a net population gain place, warm weather state. You're going to see that rent go up. Not to mention, it's also a red state, so you don't have a lot of the crazy shenanigans with the local government that you would have if you're in like a place like a Detroit or something like that, right? Where the government is like super, super blue, right? Like even in Cleveland, right? You take Cleveland, that's in Ohio. Ohio overall red state, but like the actual city of Cleveland is extremely blue, right? So it really does, in my opinion, mold a lot of the pros and cons from, just takes a lot of the pros and eliminates a lot of the cons from a lot of these markets, and it just kind of gives you like a nice little base there. So I've been focusing a lot on the Birmingham market, and I think you should too. On top of that, my friends over at Rent to Retirement are offering a ton of incentives if you buy this property, and you could take those incentives and do with them what you will. You can get free property management for a certain amount of time. You can get cash back at closing, or my personal favorite, you could buy down your interest rate and get a 5.5% interest rate on a 30-year investment property mortgage. That don't happen in 2025 unless you're working with my friends over at Rent to Retirement. Reach out if you're interested in hearing more.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.